The B1 error code on a Bosch boiler indicates that the appliance's PCB unit is unable to detect the code plug. This issue can be caused by a faulty code plug. To resolve the problem, several steps can be taken. First, resetting the boiler may fix the issue. The method of doing so depends on the model. For some boilers, locating and pressing the reset button will suffice, and a successful reset will be confirmed by a tick on the display. If the boiler does not have a reset button, the temperature knob should be turned anti-clockwise to the reset option and held for 5 seconds before returning to its original setting. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to seek the assistance of a gas engineer or technician. A B1 error typically requires professional help, as the technician will need to switch off the boiler, access and inspect the code plug, and either refit it if it is loose or replace it if it is defective. After reassembling the appliance and reconnecting the power, the boiler should be tested to ensure the issue is resolved. In some cases, if the error code persists, the technician may need to replace the PCB unit.